Hi guys, this is Master Coach Tony Morgan and today's video is on the Potterton Powermax HE. So on these Potterton Powermax HE, you can see it's quite a big boiler, like a big fridge actually. So we call this a storage combination boiler. So it works like a combination boiler, but the difference with this, it stores the hot water, which is in an unvented hot water cylinder at the bottom. So the problem today is they're getting hot water but no central heating. If you look closely here, this is the controls for the heating here, and you can see it's on. So the burner light should be on, but it's off at the moment. Off there. I'm going to turn it back on now. That's on. Now let's see if the burner comes on. So the burner's going to come on. There you go. So the burner's come on. Now that burner should stay on because I've got a heating demand. But what's actually been happening, the burner light's been going off quite quickly and the radiators have not been getting hot. So I've got a little test for you guys, a little question. What do you think that problem could be? Hot water's okay, heating's not, and the burner light does go off and the radiators are cold. So that's your question. So if you know the answer, drop us a comment below. Let's see if you get it right.